Alright folks, I'm going to show you how you be changing out your headlights on a Ford Mustang. This happens to be a 2000, so it's probably the same for multiple different years. First thing you want to do is come right here. You'll see these little tabs right here. You kind of want to pull up on these tabs like that. You'll have two of them, just like that. You can pull them all the way out. They'll come out like that. Set them to the side. Then once you do that, you'll just basically come and wiggle your headlight out like that. You'll have another connection. If you come around here, you'll have like a plug right here you can unplug. If you want to actually remove this whole headlight assembly, you just unplug right here. But to change out your headlight, you can come right here. If you can see this, first what you want to do is go ahead and lift up on that and unplug that from out your headlight. And then you'll have your spin cap on it, so go ahead and just spin that like that. That'll come off. And then you just want to pull and wiggle at your headlight like that, and you'll pretty much have your headlight out of your vehicle. Of course, you would take your new headlight, you want to go ahead and stick it back into the opening like that. Kind of push it, it just pushes back in. This kind doesn't actually spin out. Then once you do that, go ahead and take your cover, put that back on. It goes back that way. You're going to take your cover, kind of spin that back on there. That makes sure your headlight's nice and secure. Then go ahead and take your power harness and plug it back up into your light bulb, and you should be good. And once you do that, you kind of want to slide your assembly back in to its location like that. And if you look over here, you'll see these little openings right there, and this is where you just take this and stick it down in like that. You look over here, you'll have the other one. Just kind of push it in, take it like that, and push it down in pretty much, and you'll be done. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your headlights on a Ford Mustang. This happens to be a 2000 year, but it's probably the same for multiple different years. Alright folks, please check out other helpful videos. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.